Good afternoon, everyone. So I'll be discussing the quarterly earning review of the media sector. So if I look at the earning performance in this quarter, ZTV and DV Corp were the clear outperformer in terms of advertisement revenue growth, EBITDA growth, and PAT growth. While other companies like Jagran and Hindustan met our estimate, Dish TV lagged our estimates. So going ahead, what we continue to like ZTV and DV Corp. So for ZTV, the reason why we like that company is that there are multiple triggers for this company in order to clock industry leading ad revenue growth. There are multiple triggers in terms of subscription revenue growth because of digitization of phase 3 and phase 4 happening in the next couple of years. So in terms of top line growth as well as the EBITDA growth, we see ZTV clocking close to 25% top line as well as EBITDA growth for the next couple of years. So ZTV remains our preferred pick in the broadcasting space. Similarly in the DV Corp, similarly in the print media space, we continue to prefer DV Corp over other players. The reason being, if you look at DV Corp is coming from a low base in FY16, so its advertisement revenue growth for FY17 and FY18 is going to be much better as compared to the industry peers. So that is the reason why we like DB Corp. Thirdly, we want to play Dish TV from GST perspective also. Dish TV is a company which gives out 15% service tax and close to 7% entertainment tax. So if GST rate comes in at close to 18%, the straight away 300 basis point benefit we are going to see from for Dish TV. So that is the reason why we like Dish TV. Other players like Jagran and Hindustan, we continue to remain neutral on those two names. So as of now in the media space, our preferred pick is ZTV followed by DB Corp followed by Dish TV.